445 Mississippi waving.
This Cobra 29 is cleaning off the tracks there, buddy.
Hey, Excalibur in the Carolinas, 445 waving.
Roger, little boy, appreciate it, man. Take care. Appreciate the flowers. Right back at you. I'm getting on up.
On 913 waving.
Oh, 270, A270, Excalibur waving.
Oh, man, dog.
Oh, 270, A270, Excalibur with the wave.
About Excalibur 445 Mississippi waving.
Oh, 445, I heard you in there, man. It's rough and tough in my receiver, but I'm waving 445, Excalibur, Carolinas, right back.
Alright, Excalibur, you sounded good in the Magnolia this evening. My friend Excalibur, 445, till I see ya.
Right back, 445, no doubt, man. Good to hear you in there, enjoying this little bit of conditions we finally get. 45 Radio Man, sounding grand up here in the Carolinas. Excalibur with the wave, standing by.
Alright, because you said it all, my friend. Hey, take care, God bless you. 445 Radio Man said that, we'll see ya, bye-bye.
Hey, 494, in the wave, I got to keep it down there, man. Excalibur 005 can get out working this out here. Hello out there around here, 005 out there on the road.
Hey, radio man, what'd you do? Crank her up and point her out west? Boy, you got radio.
Hey, 27, must
Yeah, 27 is pointed west, but it's not cranked up. It's not cranked up, but it is pointed west.
I'd be scared if you had her cranked up all the way right now. You'd have everybody wiped out. Shoot, you almost do it. Hey, 445, sounding good out here on the west side.
Hey, Groundwater, I heard you, man. Hey, Groundwater, I heard you. It wasn't real good, but I heard you. I'm waving right back. Maybe I can make it to your receiver. Mr. Groundwire, Excalibur, Carolinas with a wave.
Kilowatt over here in Virginia. Hey, Frankenstein, Kilowatt over here in Virginia, I'm standing by.
Alright, 27 Ratchet. It's rough and tough out there. I got the East Coast coming in my back door. We see ya.
Long doggone time, Mr. Groundwire. Go right there.
Hello, 170, go Kilowatt Va.
Hey, Little Brown Joe, B.O. Kilowatt over here in Virginia.
Anybody got a copy on 913 around the Chesapeake Bay? Hey, 17, I want to see if I can get up in your radio, no doubt about that one. Hey, 17, punch around, Maryland, standing by.
Well, Preacher Man, I'm going to wave. Preacher Man, I'm going to wave one time out here from the east side before you close the doggone book for the evening. Hey, Preacher Man, Excalibur getting on up.